Kunin mo na to, Dabi. Isa mo na. Bakit? Basang-basa na ako. Bakit na ng tiyan ko? Kakain pa ako. Oh, you play na lang. While Dada is... So, my baby is playing now. Oh, this is my baby. I'm so hungry, guys. After this, I'm going to eat cup noodles only because I don't have a time to cook because I'm hello. Good morning. Hi from Canada, Adrian. Hello. I'm from Philippines. I'm so ugly. I'm sorry, guys. If I look so ugly. Naglakad ka lang, Be? Nandiyan na, hindi ko nilabhan.
Kigan? Ito pala.
Sino kasama mo?
Ha?
Sino
Hindi,
kasama mo?
kasi sumabayaw sa kanila. Doon lang tumabay sa isang tao niya. Wala na, iwan sa bahay.
Blue? Puti.
Kasi ako, nandito sa ano yan, higaan eh.
Hindi ko nilabhan yung puti niya. Malilinis yan. Hindi sa lagay ng bigas. Wala. Hello. So my baby is playing on the water right now while we are waiting to the towel.
Ano?
Malinis ko. Hindi ba? Bago na napapatay. Ito na!
Alis na tayo, tara na.
Tara na, punta na tayo kay kuya.
Babalik kayo doon, te?
See, this is my baby. Oh, bisa mo na to. Basang-basa ako. Is pork tocino. Oh! You like tocino? You know, the moment I'm so hungry. Biko, mga kanin, be. Pasuyo lang sa bahay. Kahit kunti lang. Gutom na ako. I'm going to eat now. I have cup noodles here. I'm still wet because after hello from Russia. Hello guys. I just finished to give my baby a bath and then I'm not yet done with the laundry but I'm so hungry at the moment. I'm so wet. Look at me, oh. My shirt is wet, my bra is wet, my legs is wet. Everything is, you know. So I'm going to eat first because I'm so